So we're back with the second installment of the Bruno Mars dance moves. Now if you've been following my channel for a while, then you probably know that I think Bruno Mars is a little bit of a genius because he's able to move and groove to the music naturally without looking pretentious. So this tutorial is going to show you another Bruno Mars inspired dance move. So the next time you're at a party and a Bruno Mars song comes on, you'll be able to get down to the music. This is Brian B, aka your living room dance teacher, aka your dance floor bro. Let's get into it. Getting started, we're gonna get used to the arm motion first. So the arm motion looks like this: boom, 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 hit, boom, 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 hit. Okay, all on its own it looks really silly, but when it's combined with the footwork motion, it'll look good. So let me break it down for you. What's gonna happen is we're gonna bring our arms like this. We're gonna go scoop one side, scoop the other side, scoop one more to the first side, and then we're gonna bring it up and we're going to bring the arms down. We're gonna go hit. All right, so we go 1, 2, 1, hit. All right, so from here, we're gonna go to this side first, 1, 2, 1, and then hit on the other side, boom. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 1, hit, 1, 2, 1, hit, 1, 2, 1, hit, 1, 2, 1, hit. Once you have the arm motions down, we're gonna move on to the footwork motion. So what it looks like is this: boom, 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 boom. Okay, so what's happening here is my toes are going this way first, the weight's on my heels. From here, I'm just going to alternate. The weight's gonna be on my toes, heels pivot outwards, and then the last one, boom. And then from here, we go hit. And then from here, we just alternate the other way. So we go boom, 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 hit, boom, 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 hit, boom, 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 hit, boom, 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 hit. Okay, so the last motion I'm gonna throw in here is the dropping motion. So let me show you. My footwork is gonna go this way, and then it's gonna go this way, and then we go drop. All right, so we go 1, 2, 3, drop. From here, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, drop. All right, so 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. Putting everything together now. So what's gonna happen is I'm going to go scoop, 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 hit, while my footwork goes boom, 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 drop. All right, so all together, we're gonna go scoop, 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 boom. And then the other way, boom, 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 boom. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. 1, 2, 3, drop. Boom, 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 hit, boom, 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 hit. Before we dance to some music, if you're looking for more in-depth step-by-step tutorial for learning how to dance, then come on over to my website. Alright, and that's all. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, give it a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe. This is Brian B, aka your living room dance teacher, aka your dance floor bro, and I'll talk to you soon.